So in this video, you'll learn how to sign into your Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So having your Samsung account on your phone gives you access to special features such as Find My Phone, access to the Samsung Health app so that you can save your data, and also the customization service and any other things that are normally applicable with the Samsung account only. So the first step when it comes to adding your Samsung account is to open the Settings app. And then in Settings, at the top you should see this option, Sign in to your Galaxy. Tap on it. From here, you now have different ways you can sign into your account. If you have a Google account already added onto your phone, you can tap on Sign in with Google. You can choose to enter in an email or phone number, or you can choose to sign in with a QR code. If you've forgotten your PIN or your password or your username, then just tap on Forgot Password or Don't Have an Account. Then you can choose to create an account or just choose Forgot ID or Forgot Password and then go through the process of recovering your Samsung account. So for me, I'll choose to sign in with Google because I have an account linked with Google. Then once you've chosen your sign in option, your phone will start signing you into your account. So just follow any instructions that you're given, whether it's going through the two-step verification process or anything like that. And then you'll be brought to this page where it asks you to agree to the terms and conditions. And then anything else is optional. So you have to agree to terms and conditions, special terms, the account privacy notice, and then the other two are optional. So you can choose to agree or just leave them unchecked. And then just tap on agree to finish the process. Again, go through the process of the two-step verification when you're prompted. Then once you've entered in the code, just tap on verify and wait for yourself to be signed in to your account. So from here, you can now start using your Samsung account on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.